In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start and manage a 7-day premium trial on the Ubersuggest analytics portal. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once the page loads, don't rush right into signing up. Take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout of the platform. This portal is built for SEO research, keyword analysis, site audits, and competitor insights, so understanding the dashboard early will make the rest of the process much easier. The premium area is especially useful because it unlocks more data and gives you access to advanced tools that are limited on the standard version. Before you continue, there's one important point to keep in mind. If your goal is to use premium features, the correct way to do it is through the official trial offered by the platform. Trying to bypass payment terms or access premium tools permanently for free can lead to account problems and may violate the service rules. The safe and proper approach is to use the trial as intended, evaluate the platform honestly, and then decide whether you want to keep the subscription or cancel before billing starts. Next, create your account and set up a clean workspace. As you go through the registration process, use your real information and make sure everything is entered carefully. This helps avoid login or account access issues later on. Once your account is ready and you're inside the dashboard, look for the option that offers the 7-day premium trial. Depending on the page design, this may appear as a card, a highlighted offer, or a button. Select that option to move forward. After the trial is activated, you can begin exploring the premium tools available during those 7 days. This usually includes access to more detailed analytics, additional keyword data, and broader site features than what you'd see on a limited plan. If you're seriously evaluating the service, focus on the features that matter most for your work. That could include keyword tracking, traffic insights, content ideas, or site performance analysis. A helpful tip here is to use the trial with a plan instead of just clicking around casually, so you can clearly decide whether the premium version is worth it for you. Finally, if you do not want to continue into a paid plan, make sure you cancel before the 7th day ends. This is very important because trial subscriptions often convert to paid billing